Hello everyone and welcome to March 2026. I'm here to do a quick intro video for the March 2026 subscription kit. And the kit is called Cottage Bloom Collection, and you can probably see why from the pictures. We have a lot of neutrally and earthy and green elements, but we've also thrown in some fun pops of purple and some salmony peachy pink in the background, and we think you are going to love this kit. So let's kind of go through. All right, we have, of course, our papers. You're going to see the pops of color in there, but you're also going to notice there are a lot of neutrals, and that's just to offer you just a lot of flexibility in being able to layer and use a lot of these together. But of course, we still had to have the beautiful greens and purples and those pinks that I talked about. I love these papers. And don't forget, we always offer you the double page journals. So we have a cover and then just 5 additional pages. And if you want to see how to make these, we have so many different videos on our YouTube that will show you how to put these journals together. We also have a lot of different pocket options. We have our regular pockets with the slants and the cutouts, and we have these fun new file folder pockets. I think you're really going to love them. We have some neutral and some more colorful, so you can mix and match. And of course, we have my favorite 9 pockets with all the decorations. Now we have lots of tags, and I love the tags in this. We've got some neutral and we've got some with the pops of color, so it's really going to give you a lot of options on how you use them. And now on to the envelopes. We have several different options. I love the scallop, and we also have a belly band set and a few more different folios and envelopes. You're going to love it. I think there's a really good variety here in this kit. This kit probably has a record number of ephemera. I was really feeling the ephemera this month. So we have 2 pages of ephemera there, and then another 2 here with some really fun journaling cards and layers. And you're going to see we also have a lot of fussy cuts and little bits. So warm up those fingers before you start cutting. These are some bigger kind of statement pieces, and we also have some kind of boho style and some little neutrally ones that are going to be fabulous for layering. So you're going to have a ton of options in this. And a few extra little things. We've just got our words, we've got some journaling cards, a couple options, and we have some faux washi. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to link down below the different ways that you can get this kit. As you know, you can either subscribe and save yourself a little money, and don't worry, you can cancel at any time, or you can just buy it directly from our website as a single kit, or from our Etsy shop as a single kit. And so I'll link those below. Watch for sales. We always like to put the Etsy shop on sale, but I can tell you right now, your best value will always be the subscription. So give it a shot, try it out, craft along with us. We're going to have a lot of videos this month using some really fun things, and I've got some fun new ideas I want to try. So jump in and just have a lot of fun with it. I know you won't regret it. All right, thanks so much, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.